Hey guys, hope you're having an awesome day. Connor Doobie here, and I want to address another question for you. The question is, my prospects, or I guess it's more of a statement than a question. That's more of a statement. My prospects don't use social media. I hear this all the time. I hear this almost every day when I'm talking to you folks out there. And before I dive into this, I just want to share really quick. If you've been watching my videos and you've been seeing me posting, don't be a stranger. Say hey in the comments, share the post, whatever you do, just don't be a ghost. Oh, that was good. That was a good rhyme today. So my prospects don't use social media. And I hear this a lot, especially because I'm working with clients that sell high dollar, complex products and services, business to business. They're in industries that have been around a while, and they're usually reaching those decision makers through conferences, trade shows, networking events, all this good stuff. But before you go and you say this to somebody, or you kind of live by this motto or whatever, ask yourself this question: are you actually sure about this? So are you 100% confident that your prospects are not using social media, or are you just being a headline reader? Are you just going based what other people are telling you instead of actually seeing this? So I'm here to tell you that yes, there is a way for you to do business and create sales opportunities using social media platforms like LinkedIn. So take this for an example. The CEB, I believe this is a CEB stat, shows that in 2013, there was on average about 3 to 4 decision makers or influencers or champions on any B2B enterprise purchase. Okay, this was 2013. Now, fast forward to 2017, and the stats show that there's about 6.8 decision makers, influencers, and champions, okay? What does this tell us? Well, the buying process, there's more preliminary research, there's more people involved on the buying process, and you know this, people are researching much more, they're educating themselves, they're getting much more opinions as they're making these large purchasing decisions, and they're deciding whether or not to buy from you and your organization. So, this is where I like to say leverage the sphere of influence. Let me give you an example of what I'm talking about here. Hopefully I didn't move that too much. So sphere, I'm just going to make this a longer video than I was anticipating. I think there's too much to share here. Okay, sphere of influence. So let's take an example. You're selling to the CEO and your favorite
VP Operations.
The VP of Operations. Okay? Just a couple examples. Let's say these two are the guys with the dough, and they're the ones that you're selling to. But you claim, just working, I mean, you know your business, that these folks do not use social media. But consider the last stat. Again, keep this in mind, 6.8. That means that there's about several people within this organization that you can be getting in front of and you can be talking to. And this is where social selling comes in, okay? Social selling is a strategy that allows you to reach these people so that you can either get to these people, or let's say like you sell, your managed service provider, you sell to the CTO. Maybe this person's using LinkedIn heavily, but this person is not, okay? It's the same scenario, leveraging the sphere of influence. And if you guys are able to deploy this strategy, this is where, I like to say, this is where the future of B2B sales and marketing is going. If you're able to start looking at the actual numbers, recognizing this and deploying this, you are going to win very, very big, and I want to be here to help support you with that. So use tools like Sales Navigator, use the search functions on LinkedIn. Don't be a headline reader, okay guys? There's a lot of ways that you're able to create opportunity through social media platforms, working with these really complex industries. I hope that was helpful. Let me know. Drop a comment, share this post so other people can see it and they can gain value from it. And I'll look forward to seeing you on the other side. Have an awesome weekend.